If Beyonce could give us freakum dress, then I damn sure can give y'all freakum hair. Now, this whole look is a complete moment. I'm in my video VIXEN era with this wig, you know, minus all the scandals, but let's get into it. So I want you to meet Harina. She's cute. I knew when I saw her, I wanted to start plucking that hairline. And because I don't comb my units until the very end, I'm taking this fine tooth comb and inserting it into the hair and just pulling all the shed hair away from the hairline and just gently releasing the fine tooth comb because I'm about to have some fun. And with this particular hair texture, use a moderate heat setting, okay? I felt like the heat, if it's too high, it could possibly alter the texture of the hair, so you've been warned. I'm getting back into using pressed powder to tint the lace, you know. Temperature's kind of changing up a bit, so I feel safe doing so. And I always like to set it with the hard head spray, which is, again, my favorite spray ever. I will not lie to you, she's definitely big head friendly, very comfortable on the head. Again, my head circumference is about 23 and a half inches. Now I'm going to be using the 𝐃𝐀𝐈𝐑 Bond lace adhesive. This is the type of adhesive I like to use when I'm going to have the unit on for more than like 2 to 3 days. And I only used 2 layers for this install because, again, this is my first time wearing a lace front in like over 30 days and I'm just not trying to overdo it. I got so used to just not wearing lace fronts and it's a great feeling. But I knew when I put this unit on, she's so damn gorgeous. I was going to have her on for a few days. You know, be seen, be cute. You already know. Listen, to all of my girlies out there, there's nothing like getting a new wig, getting a new look, a new outfit, and just going outside, letting the sun kiss you and being seen, being marveled at. See, that's what I'm here for, to keep you encouraged, to inspire you to elevate yourself in whatever way makes you feel best. Now, I'm going in with this spritz that everybody's been talking about. I got the extra hold. It's a little bit different than the one in the blue label. And believe it or not, I used the bold hold liquid gold for the left and right sides because bold hold liquid gold don't play no games and it's really good. And again, it's not bad on the edges, so something else I'm keeping in mind because this team grow your hair, strengthen your hair, and keep the edges intact. Everything I'm using will be linked in the description box. If you aren't someone who reads the description box, tell me why. Why don't you expand that box so you can have all of the details that you need to know? It helps me, it helps you, and it's a win-win situation as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, just make sure you check it out because I try to make it as detailed as possible. I even link things like the robe I'm wearing. I have an entire collection on my Amazon storefront dedicated to robes because I know y'all get into the looks. I love it. I luxuriate in robes and I want you guys to do the same. And they're stylish, all different price points. Don't play. Go check it out. Now for all my units, I love a C-shaped part and you got to be careful with this unit because you don't have as much parting space that goes deep into the crown. So it's all about how you position that curved part. As for the adult swoops, I wanted to do something a little bit more exaggerated, but not too heavy. Y'all can let me know how I did. And I beat my face to the gods. Oh my God. Like, one thing about it, I'm trying to perfect this look before I share it on here because I got a tan, so now I could use my Pat McGrath foundation. So you know the skin was on 10. Complexion base is flawless. I actually did this look when I went out to dinner this past weekend. Not to toot my own horn, but we did that. As I shared in the beginning of the video, I like to comb out my hair towards the end. It makes it easier, and I don't like to, you know, meddle in the hair too much. So I like to just reserve it for the end portion when all of the customization and styling is done. A lot of hair in that comb, but the unit is intact. I love the luxurious curls. I had to get dressed. So one thing about it, I get a lot of looks on this top when I wear it. Hooked by Monet does a lot of my custom pieces. Yes, they are custom pieces, and I want you guys to check her out. She gets me together all the time. And yes, I am a paying customer, period. But her looks are everything. And you know, black girls look amazing in orange, yellow, every color, honestly. And the sunglasses are from Disco Sis, another black owned company, a black woman owned company as well. I love putting y'all on. Again, check the description box. It's there for you. Now, if you're new here, I think you should subscribe, because you know that's the vibes. And if you're oldie but goodie, I thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up button and then kiki with me in the comments. Are you gonna pick her up? What unit are you eyeing? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to share this with your homeboys and your homegirls. And I want you guys to slay the day. You are worth it, and do all that makes you feel good for you. This Marc Jacobs perfume is in heavy rotation. I just want to smell gorgeous. I want to be tantalizing. I want to smell intoxicating. Like, I walk past you, you have to get my attention. You have to figure out what this is. You have to, you know what I'm saying? You have to collect yourself, because it's going to get you. But the Glamorous Girl is signing out. Thank you so much for tuning in.